What if I told you that there are over thousands plus skills you can add to your AI agent, which is completely free in a single command? Right now, tools like Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot are powerful and but completely generic, right? They don't know your stack, they don't know your workflows, they don't know your design system. And you can use skills specified by yourself. You will create by skills on your own. But what if there are some existing skill which you can just reuse? The top skills on this platform has been installed like over 748k times, and every single one of them is free, one command, instant upgrade. I'm going to show you about Skills.sh, which is completely free reusable skills for different AI agents, whether you're using Claude Code or Cursor or multiple skills. It has like around 90k of skills, and there are a lot of trending ones, there are hot ones, and we are going to show you some of super important ones which you can reuse as a skill to your agents. So stay with me till end of this video. You will know exactly which skills you need to install, make your AI agent feel like a custom build for your workflows. So what is a skills.sh, right? Think of it like an app store for AI agents. So every skill you give your AI agent, which is like a procedural knowledge, right? Step-by-step instruction, best practices, specialized context, which simply doesn't have your have out of box. So the best part is the skill installation as a single command. You use npx add and the owner slash repo. And as I said, there are too many skills. You have like 90k plus skills which you can install, and it can support 20 plus AI agents. What I've seen is that it can support Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Windsurf, Google Gemini, OpenAI Codex, VS Code. There are anti-gravity, there are contributors in groups like Vercel, Microsoft, Google, Anthropic. So there are n number of skills which are collected into the same common place. If you have not known or not used skill, I would recommend you to look at on my videos where I have explained you about how to create skill, what the skill is. But just give a quick overview on this. Without a skill, your AI agent operate like on general training data, and it knows a lot, but not your own stack or your own convention or not your own specific version of how you want to do it, right? What skill do is like it injects expert level opinionated knowledge directly into your agent context. You can imagine like a senior React engineer sitting next to your AI, and then that skill does what's good for you. Here are some top skills which you can try out. Find skills, this has been installed like 748k times, and vercel-react-best-practices has been installed like 500k. Front-end-design is UI design principle. You can also see like Azure Suite, which is a cloud infrastructure and AI. So these are in twice. These are used by real developers in real production workflows daily. Before we go in depth on those, these are some 20 skills which I picked it for you, so you can see whether it's helpful for you. And this will blow your mind. You don't have to create these skills by yourself. Like for example, front-end design, you can use it for UI design system, web design guidelines, UX and layout, Tailwind, CSS and utility, mobile first design, Vercel, TypeScript, you view best practices, Svelte patterns, right? Playwright-testing, end-to-end browser testing, just unit testing, TDD workflows, which is for test-driven development. Cypress end-to-end, Azure Cloud Suite, which is for Microsoft Azure, Docker Compose, which is for containerization, GitHub Action, CI/CD pipeline, Kubernetes Deploy, which is for container orchestration. AI prompting design is there for LLM prompting, security OSAP, OWSAP, which is for security hardening. Then you have perf optimization. You also have like database design. There are a lot more, but these are something which I picked for you. You can try out all these things, which are all free, one command away. Some of explanation for front-end design is like, this AI write the code that works, but looks, real design principles, space system, color theory, typography, hierarchy, all those things, will be used. You can just use npx skill add and front-end hyphen design. Your skill will be ready over there. You can use vercel-react, which is maintained by vercel, teaches you AI modern React, and correct memorization, proper data fetching. You can add it by using skill add vercel-react best practices. Use web design guidelines like companion to front-end design. You can also use this, become like a full stack designer. UX pattern, responsive design, navigation, mobile first, everything will be there. Testing skill, AI generated tests are often shallow, brilliant, but testing skill teach your agent to write test fast, coverage real edge cases, use chosen framework correctly, like playwright end-to-end testing or J-test, TDD. You can add, just skill add playwright testing, so it will be completely. I'm super excited on this cloud skill from Microsoft, which is for Azure, which is institutional knowledge for your AI agent. Now carries like built-in expertise, like Azure AI, Kubernetes, storage, compliance. You can just use Microsoft Azure AI, and you should be able to use that skill. And how to find the right skill? Look at the install count, category filter, trending section, verified contributors. Go to the skills.sh. You can search for skill. You can look for trending. You can look for how. You can search for some skills, and it will list out those skills. You can search with whichever parameter you want. You can also look for once you select one skill, it will show you how to install as well. So you will see it will give you the full details of the skill.md. Then it will give you the instruction how to install it, npx skill add, and you go to your GitHub repo and just run it. You can see how many installation has been done and who are the owners of this repository, how many GitHub stars, when it was created. You can also see the security audit. Be a little bit careful on security audit, because I hope they will take care of all those security issues, because we don't want to inject any specific skills into your system which have some security loopholes, right? You can see there is a one on the sneak, so you can look at what's the audit things. You can see there is a medium risk level on this one. So look at those things before you install any skills. So this platform which I found, I wanted to share with you. So I don't own this platform. I don't know who owns this, but this looks to be super exciting. It's beyond just a platform. It has a lot of skills, which is open, right? Anyone can publish a skill. You can create a skill of your own internal design for your company's APIs or anything you want. Create your workflow, share it privately or publicly. This means over time your agents can accumulate skill that make you feel like a veteran member of your specific team, right? And this is reusable, so you can share it with others and others can reuse it. So what are the three key takeaways, right? The skill.sh is like open marketplace for skills, which can supercharge your AI coding agent. The top skills, I showed you a lot of things. You can use any of those. You can create your own skill and share it with others, and you can instantly deploy, and others can reuse it. I hope this video is useful for you, so that you don't have to reinvent some of your skill by yourself. You can use something which are openly available. What skill do you wish to use, and your agent is ready for that? Let me know in the comments section, and I'm super interested to know if this is helpful for you. I genuinely read every comment, and the best enders might be on my next video. If this was useful, take a few seconds and give a thumbs up and subscribe. This helps the YouTube to reach this video for others who need it. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.